Hello everyone, Zero Fossil Fuel, and right now is the moment of truth. It is 10:54 p.m. on Sunday, December 23rd. This is the first vacuum test of the Zero Cell under vacuum. What I've done is I've got the vacuum pump running in the background, you can see. And on the gauge, right here, the major division is 25 inches. You can see it's just a little bit over 25 inches of mercury. I want to say 25.3, 25.5 inches of mercury. All right, that's the static vacuum on the cell right now. So I'm going to take my stopwatch and I'm going to connect the HH-ometer to the output. Now there is no voltage being applied. You see 1.22 volts, that's the residual voltage on the cell from having run this afternoon. There is no current going in, it is not producing any gas. Connect it now and hit the stopwatch. Now you will see the HH-ometer begin to rise very slowly. I'm going to tell you right now, I've already confirmed that all of the air leakage is actually internal leakage around the cylinder inside the pump itself. There's nothing getting in through any of this network of tubes and valves that I've been able to detect. So in 30 seconds now, 35 seconds, I've collected 250 milliliters of air. So if that's consistent, then in 70 seconds that should be 500 milliliters. And that's 70 seconds right there. Still not quite at 500 milliliters. That's 80 seconds there. 500 milliliters in 80 seconds. So we use that as our baseline. Return it back to its low point. Now you could see the small bubbler spitting out bursts of water as I disconnected this because the flow of gas was going through so fast that that's what it was causing. Not much unlike the condition that I saw here in this part of the system earlier. Okay.